Welcome everyone, thank you for coming. हम यहाँ पे on behalf of Pacific Institute, we are representing all of us here today. तो हम यहाँ पे आए हैं because हमने यहाँ पे कुलगाम डिस्ट्रिक्ट में on the demand of students as well as parents, we have started this institute and we are मतलब having experience in the field of education and imparting education to the children since 2007. Under the guidance of Mr. Bilal sir. So now we have with very high hopes shifted to Kulgam. और हमारा यहाँ पे मेन यही है कि बिकॉज ऑफ एक तो जो टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट है एंड द वे ऑफ एजुकेशन जो इम्पार्टमेंट का तरीका है इट हैज़ इवॉल्व्ड ओवर द लास्ट डेकेड्स लास्ट ईयर्स. तो वी आर लाइक ट्राइंग टू कीप अप विद द पेस टू प्रोवाइड द एजुकेशन ऑफ द हायर स्टैंडर्ड. तो उस वजह से हमने यहाँ पे स्टार्ट किया है हमारा इंस्टीट्यूट. फर्स्टली आवर फैकल्टी, a faculty of like immense experience, decades of experience, and on top of that we'll be providing the students with the latest technological जो भी उनको help चाहिए होगी in regards to that, जिसमें हमारा सबसे पहले तो smart education आता है, जैसे AI boards हो गए आपके, complimentary library to the students, and on top of that best in class education as much as जो हम provide करने की कोशिश करेंगे to the students. सबसे पहले तो आजकल एवरीवन इज वेरी टेक्नोलॉजी savvy. जो हमारा ट्रेडिशनल मींस ऑफ एजुकेशन था आपका ब्लैक बोर्ड वाइट बोर्ड या मार्कअप बोर्ड वाला वो सिस्टम, दैट इज नॉट वेरी रेलिवेंट एनीमोर. तो स्मार्ट बोर्ड्स हैं. तो स्मार्ट बोर्ड्स में आपका ऑब्वियसली देयर इज इनकलकेशन ऑफ ऑल द एस्पेक्ट्स जो भी मॉडर्न है, वेदर इट इज वीडियो, whether it is through diagram, through images, whatever जो भी. And most importantly because different students होते हैं, different caliber के students होते हैं, तो to keep up with the pace हम at the end of every lecture जो आपका इसमें एक group होगा whatever means के through, so the recorded lecture when they'll be forwarded to the students later on so that they can use it for reference again if they want to go through it again और कोई query है या whatever. So in that regards
जी बिल्कुल बात करेंगे हम कुलगाम में. हम Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon. And देखिए, my name is Dr. Faizan Rasool and I am here representing Pacific Management. देखिए हम we are already serving the people of Anantnag from last 18 years. अब पेरेंट्स और बच्चों की डिमांड देख के हमने ये मुनासिब सोचा कि हम कुलगाम की तरह रुख करेंगे. देखिए कुलगाम में अगर हम देखें कि यहाँ पे मशरूमिंग का कोचिंग सेंटर्स है, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली एक वेल स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोचिंग नहीं है. और ये बात मद्देनजर रख के हमने सोचा कि एक वेल स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोचिंग सेटअप एक एस्टैब्लिश किया जाए, जो कि हमने देखा कि पैसिफिक एक बेस्ट अल्टरनेटिव है.
सबसे पहले तो our branches are spread throughout Kashmir, ranging from central to South Kashmir, including Dalgam and Kulgam also now. तो सबसे पहले facilities में library, all the students will enroll here at Pacific. They will have complimentary access to the library 24/7 whenever they want to. उसके मजीद आपका टेस्ट सीरीज रहेगा एंड इट विल बी बेस्ड जो हमारे डिफरेंट इंस्टीट्यूट्स होंगे और लाइक इन डालगाम, इन अनंतनाग, इन कुलगाम एंड नाउ आल्सो एज वेल. तो एक इंटर इंस्टीट्यूट हम टेस्ट सीरीज करेंगे एंड दैट विल आल्सो लाइक promote competition within the students and prepare them for the real exam. रहेगी first of all आप आए यहाँ पे, आप first hand experience करें because the classes will start from Monday 12th of January. आप आए, आप अपनी तसल्ली करें and obviously you will find the difference, you will find it better than the existing institutes.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Hoor. I am the student representative of Pacific Institute for the session of 2026. My experience so far in Pacific Institute has been nothing short of inspiring and motivating. The faculty there is truly very hardworking and one of the most deserving faculty that I have ever met. Apart from only teaching us, they also make us take tests every time we complete a topic or a chapter, which makes the student realize what they're capable of. And if they're lacking in something, then the mistakes are fixed and the students are guided. We also have free library access where the student can self-study and work hard on their studies apart from being taught by the teachers. There are a lot of availability and a lot of things available for the student. If they need anything, then there is nothing short. In the institute, the teachers are very skilled and knowledgeable and hardworking, and I'm very glad and it's very inspiring. The environment is very motivating and the teachers keep pushing us to our limits because they want to make us better. Not only are we taught medical and non-medical, but we are also taught about how to tackle these things and how to learn apart from that. And I'm very grateful, and inshallah, we will be one of the best coaching institutes
So
ever.
what is your opinion to those students who are enrolled here?
My opinion is just be patient. You have to work hard. Everything comes down to what you do. Even if you think that you are not capable, it is completely wrong. All you have to do is work hard and believe in yourself and believe in your teachers. And you have guidance. The teachers are around you. All you have to do is you have to ask them to help you. And when you do, you will truly realize what success is and what hard work feels like. And trust me, once you do feel the result of your hard work, you will want to work even more.
So